Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Jeep Wrangler ride smoother. Start by checking tires, alignment, and suspension parts for obvious issues. Next, consider shock upgrades, progressive springs, or a sway bar refresh depending on needs. Small changes like tire choice and air pressure often deliver the biggest comfort gains without major expense. Switching to comfort-oriented tires can transform ride feel without changing suspension. Look for tires with flexible sidewalls and lower tread aggressiveness for road use. Keep pressures consistent and rotate every 5,000 to 7,500 miles to even wear. This combination reduces thump, improves absorption of small bumps, and keeps steering predictable while preserving off-road capability when you need it. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money and saving for projects like upgrades, so it's worth a look. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick it up. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Investing in upgraded shocks and springs yields noticeable comfort gains for daily driving and spirited pavement runs. High-quality shocks manage rebound and compression more effectively, while progressive springs hold up under load without making the ride harsh. Fresh bushings or urethane replacements remove sloppy play and cut rattles. Together, these changes smooth out potholes and highway imperfections without sacrificing capability or ground clearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.